Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA came deeper into this support area. Already made you aware yesterday that will probably come down a little bit deeper after price broke that trend line. Yeah, we talked about that in the last video. Gave you an additional support area, and it is also this support area in which price has now started to slow down. We have a very nice three-wave move to the downside now. I'm counting this primarily as an ABC structure within an X wave. And from here, price has a chance to rally in this Y wave. The Y wave is sort of we've got a WXY structure, yeah, within this E wave of the triangle. If you missed previous videos, we are still tracking an Elliott wave triangle that started in December last year. So price really has been moving just in a triangle shape. Looking at the proportions of the triangle, it would be great if price could get another move up and then come down. This would be the ideal structure. A triangle consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. I mean, nothing stopping price from breaking down earlier, but again, because that's anyway what we expect, right? So we're still looking for another low here, another bear market low. But looking at the proportions of the triangles, and because it's adhering very nicely to the principles of an Elliott wave triangle, another lower high in an E wave would be likely, and that's why we expect it at the moment. However, be aware that in a triangle, things can change quickly. So a triangle can extend, until it's broken. It can always extend further. You can see rapid up and down movement, and the important is to understand that the chart is just moving in 3 waves, so you don't really get that directional clues to know where price is really heading. What we know is that we're coming from a downtrend. Now we're consolidating. One wave is basically missing for an ideal triangle. We've got a target range between 30 and 34 cents, and we're just waiting for price to get there. And if price breaks to the downside earlier, then we cannot really count that as a triangle anymore, but it would then still be within our primary scenario or base case, which basically assumes that another low should happen, another bear market low. The yellow wave count here, that's the bullish wave count, but it is very, very much a forced wave count. Nothing that we would follow primarily until price gives us some evidence for it. And one clear signal that the yellow wave count might be unfolding would be a break above the 38.5 cent level. A break above that level could indicate some upside pressure and would cause price, in my opinion, to follow the yellow wave count. But we're far away from that. 38 cents, now we are at 25. That would be roughly a 50% increase, okay? At the moment, all the altcoin charts look pretty sad. So nevertheless, we are watching if price can find temporary support in this orange support box here. We basically have within the E wave a WXY structure, and in the X wave we are waiting for a 3-wave move normally. Well, that could be complete. It's certainly a clear 3-wave move into support. If I look at the Fibonacci extension tool, you can see that price reacted to the 61.8 extension, typically the very first and early target for a C wave. Now, I would find it more likely if price went to the 1-to-1 ratio. It is typically the more reliable target, the 100% extension, 24.6 cents. But bear in mind, we're dealing here with an altcoin, we're dealing with microstructures, and we're dealing with a correction. So things can really change quickly. Overall, it would be great if price could turn around to the upside before breaking below the 78.6 Fib retracement at 24.7 cents. So essentially, this is the area where price has a chance to turn around. It's one of these decision boxes, trend reversal areas, but not one that I see with a high likelihood to work out. Reason is we don't have an uptrend that supports it. It's just all part of a sideways range within even a larger downtrend. However, we're just tracking the C wave here, the C wave to the up. So basically, it would be a Y wave. So within the Y wave, we would have an ABC structure. Let's put that into white as well. And within the A wave, we have a 5-wave move, right? So that's sort of what we would like to see. 5 or 3 waves. So an A wave doesn't need to be a 5-wave move, but let's assume it might have started already. Then I would have already, we're already on the 1 hour chart. I would already have a 1-2 set up here. This might be another 1-2, and then it would follow higher in a 3rd wave, a 4th, and a 5th within the A wave. Target for the 3rd wave here, and this is all very speculative because, you know, I expect changes to this wave count. Minimum expectation, the 1.618 extension, 26.3 cents, but it should really go higher because we seem to deal with a 1-2-1-2 setup. So the 2.618 extension level seems very likely for the 3rd wave. Here we talk about 27 cents. We have structural resistance here. By the way, there was a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here as well. We have structural resistance, so let's just add the volume profile. As you can see it here, this is where we had all that consolidation around 26.5 cents. This is an area of resistance to get through. So because there has been a lot of historical volume, this is typically where price will enter a choppy region, where it's hard to get through really. So pay attention to the 26.5 cent level as resistance if price goes higher. But it should go through it if it's following the uptrend here, this ABC structure in wave Y. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.